What's up? Check these drums, sounds good, huh? But no one shows y'all how to make them drums snap and hit. You'll have to find your own way anyway, my jetty, but I'll show you what I did here. Look at these 3 warm tape saturators in a row. That is the secret. I also do some funny stuff to get some transients out and clip the kicky kick. Some modern type kick EQ, and here we go. Get him smacking with that bus comp. Warm tape again. Some drive. Kinda adds the same harmonics as the tape but a little differently. That snappy think with bus compressor again. Let's emphasize the main tone and warm it up again. Double that thing. Here we go, guys. Now your drums are as hardcore as my childhood.